this video, let me show you how you can create a transport module for your school and take care of all the management related to transportation. For that, you need to hover on to supervision, click on transport. You can see there are a lot of sub tabs. First, you need to click on route master, create a route. Let's select the branch. Let's give any route name. So let's say XYZ. Start place is, let's say, A, B, C, and stop place is D, E, F. You can give any of your name. I'm just giving a dummy name. Save it. You can see this route has been created. Then you need to click on vehicle master, create a vehicle. Again, you need to select the branch, give the vehicle number, let's say AN 014356 or 2. You can give capacity as, let's say, 50. You can give the insurance renewal date, but then that is not mandatory. Driver name, let's say Rahul. Driver phone number, I'm giving a dummy number right now. Driver license number also you need to give. So you can see your vehicle has been created. Now you need to click on stoppage and create a stoppage. You need to give stoppage name, let's say Sikandrabad. Post office. Give a stop timing over here. Let's say my bus or vehicle will reach at 6 a.m. in the morning, 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Route fare, you need to give a route fare for the students who are coming up from this particular route. So let's say giving a cumulative route fare of, let's say, 1,000. Save it. You can see this route has been created. This stoppage has been created. Now this particular route fare will get reflected over a student's admission form as well. So let's say if you are filling up a admission form for a student, there you will get this transport section, and from there you can put up this details, and accordingly this will take this complete route and it will get added in your fee structure. Now you need to assign vehicle. So we have already created one vehicle. So assign vehicle, first select the branch, select the route that we have created just now, select the stoppage, and you can select the vehicle number. Save it. You can see this vehicle has been allotted. In allocation report, you'll get to see, or you can allocate students accordingly. So that's it. Hopefully this particular video is useful for you to create a transportation for your school. Thank you so much.